This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, oven, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, external shower, leveling jacks, air conditioning, microwave, awning, and 62 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 265BH is 6,834 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.